Hey, what are uncountable nouns? How many uncountable nouns can you name or can you say? In this lesson, I'm going to talk about uncountable nouns. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe and don't miss further lessons. Well, uncountable nouns refer to things that we cannot count. Yes, those are the things that we cannot count. And they always have singular form, which means we cannot say the number of it or we cannot add s to the word. Let's take a look at the words. So, there are a lot of food and drink that are uncountable. Water, water. We cannot say waters, or we cannot say 3 waters, right? It is always singular and we cannot count. Water, water. Milk, milk. Salt, salt. Sugar, sugar. Meat, meat. Cheese, cheese. Tea, tea. Coffee, coffee. Nouns. Now let's take a look at the feelings or daily life things. There are a lot of uncountable feelings and uncountable daily life things. Love. Yes, this is always uncountable. Love. Advice. Advice. Information. Information. Knowledge. Knowledge. Time. Time. We cannot count our time, right? We cannot count time. The same. Money, money. Garbage, garbage. Dust, dust. Let's take a look at expressions. So, a glass of milk. We cannot count milk, but we can say how much milk do we need. A glass of milk. Or, as we can count glass, we can say 2 glasses of milk or 5 glasses of milk. A cup of coffee, a cup of coffee, or 2 cups of coffee, right? We can say 2 cups of coffee, 2 cups of coffee. Okay, a bottle of water. I need a bottle of water. Or, I drank 2 bottles of water today, which means we can count bottle. A can of Coke, a can of Coke, 2 cans of Coke, 3 cans of Coke. A carton of milk, 2 cartons of milk, 5 cartons of milk. A bar of chocolate, 2 bars of chocolate, 3 bars of chocolate. Okay, just try to remember, try to memorize these expressions. I hope the lesson was helpful. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.